Christmas is at hand. Christmas 2021, the next month. Today is the 30th of November 2021. This year, how Christmas is celebrated in province of Bolzano, the north area of Italy. I will show you from an angle which I believe that you have not listened or watched before. So this year I am going to let you see and discover Bolzano from an angle very interesting, very informative, and today I will start from this building. If you cast a glance at the building, there are 24 numbers, and these numbers actually indicate the 24 days of December. The first day of December, this window, the number on this window is removed, and the second day, the second number. So in the order, the 24 numbers on 24 windows, they are removed every day coming. This is a very interesting tradition. It is just to welcome the Christmas, and also I believe to remember the people, to let the remember people that how many days remains to this great day, the day of birth of Christ. This building is actually in the center city of the Bolzano. I let you see the area from an angle. If you see my right hand, you will find the great church, and this is actually the area near to the center of the city. This is called Piazza Volta. To give you all the details, every day next week I will show you the detail of this month religiously and the preparations which are being done in the city in the month of Christmas this year 2021. I am Wasim Raza from Italy, and you are watching Globbal TV.